Salafalava, my name is Trinity Faifo.
Sofa Manuia, my name is Pereimali Isoti, 9 for short, and today we're playing Read My Lips. King, come on. King, come on.
Our first word is Melanesia.
Melanesia?
Oh, next word is Luvenku. It's a Fijian word and it's child. Luvenku. It's a Fijian word. Fijian. Luvenku.
No, thank you.
Pale.
Pale?
Hilltop. Hill. Federated States of Micronesia.
Federated State of Micronesia.
Ooh, lagoon. Lagoon.
Lagoon.
What? Coconut.
Coconut.
Can you still hear me?
Nah, I can't hear you.
Next word is Manaya.
Manaya.
Okay, it's my turn.
Okay, your first word is major laser. Major laser.
Major lantern. What?
Laser.
What?
TikTok.
Teacher.
TikTok. TikTok. TikTok.
TikTok.
TikTok.
TikTok. That's the.
Paafetai.
Perfect.
Ecosystem.
Ecosystem.
Fungale market.
Fungalei market.
Hey, you've got an advantage. I'm good at this. Next one. 2 words. Indigenous knowledge.
In the what? In the toilet. What?
Vermicelli.
From
Vermicelli.
Mexico. What?
Climate.
Lamp.
Climate.
Campus.
Climate. Panipopo. Panipopo.
Mother pum pum.
Thanks for hanging out with us today.
And remember to
Keep it fresh.